Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Medicare flexible band-aids, Dollarama brand of course. And what we're going to do today is unbox these, try them out and see how efficient they are and how good these Dollarama brand band-aids are. For those of you who have never used band-aids, what they're meant for is for wounds. In fact, if you have a cut or a splinter, anything like that, you can slap one of these bad boys on there and in a matter of a few days your wound will be cleared up. So let's crack these open and let's give it a try. There we go. Let's give these a little crack over there. And oh, it's pretty nice packaging. It comes with instructions, I believe. And if you've never used a band-aid, we're going to give a little demonstration here. Let's give this a little tug. There we are. Nice and clean. If you'd like to apply the band-aid, there's adhesive on the side, and what you would do is pull on one side, pull on the other, and just pull apart. Then apply the band-aid right over the wound. In order to determine whether this band-aid is of good quality, we're going to in fact have to find a wound to test it on. And that's what we'll be doing in just a second. Now that we have found our wound, we can test the band-aid for its quality. So after removing the adhesive protector, you'd apply it directly on the wound. And in a matter of a few days, your wound will heal. Overall, I'd give Medicare about a 6 out of 10, given that I had to cut myself to test it. But aside from that, I think it's a great product, and for $1.25, you can't go wrong. Thank you for clicking on this video. Be sure to click like and subscribe if you'd like to see more reviews, and have a great day.